Hi, I'm Logan, a base server ambassador from Base Korea. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install OpenClaw in a VPS and connect it to Telegram so you can interact with your AI agent from anywhere. Before we begin, make sure you connect to your VPS using SSH, just like we did in the previous video. Replace that number with the IP address you received from Contabo. When you type the password, nothing will appear on the screen. Just type your password and press enter. OpenClaw runs on Node.js, so the first step is to install Node. To make sure we install the correct version, we'll always use the official Node.js installation instructions. Open your browser and search for Node install. From the result, open download Node.js, which is the official Node.js website. Scroll down to the Linux installation instructions. For this tutorial, we'll install Node.js using NVM with npm. Now copy and run the following commands in your VPS terminal. If version numbers appear, Node.js and npm were installed successfully. Now we install OpenClaw globally using npm. It will take quite a long time. Next, we will register OpenClaw as a system service. This ensures your AI agent continues running even if your SSH session closes or the server restarts. This command opens a terminal editor called Vim. If you've never used Vim before, don't worry. Press the I key on your keyboard. When you press key, you will see insert in the bottom left corner. Here. This means you are now in insert mode, and you can start typing or pasting text. Now we'll type the service configuration. I will display the full configuration on the screen. If you're following along, pause the video here and type the configuration, and then resume when you're ready. After typing the configuration, press escape. Then type like this. Press enter to save and exit. To enable and start the service, we are going to type some kind of commands. If the service appears active, OpenClaw is now running as a system service. Next, we configured the AI model provider. If you already use a service like OpenAI or Anthropic or something other, you can use your existing API key. If you don't have one yet, we can create a Gemini API key using Google AI Studio. Open Google AI Studio in your browser. You can use the default project or create a new one. Most projects start with the free tier, which is fine for onboarding. However, free tier usage may be used for model training. For production environments, upgrading to a paid plan is recommended. Let's create a new project. In project, we can create an API key. Click the key, copy the API key. Now we are going to run OpenClaw onboard command. When you run this command, a security warning will appear first. This is important. OpenClaw is still in beta, and it can read files and run actions if tools are enabled. The warning recommends using allow lists, keep secret out of the agent file system, and running security audits regularly. Read through it carefully, then accept the terms to continue. We choose yes, and then choose Quick Start. After selecting Quick Start, it will ask you to choose a model provider. In this tutorial, we'll select Google. If you already use another provider like OpenAI or Anthropic, feel free to choose that instead and following along with your own setup. Next, it will ask how you want to authenticate. Choose API key. And paste the API key you create in Google AI Studio. For the model, I recommend using Gemini 3 Flash. It's fast, lightweight, and a good fit for onboarding. Once you are done with onboarding and starting using your agent seriously, I strongly recommend upgrading to the most capable model available. A stronger model means better reasoning, fewer mistakes, and more reliable tool usage. Next, we configure the communication channel. In OpenClaw, a channel is simply the messaging platform used to talk to the agent. In this tutorial, we'll use Telegram. First, open the Telegram and search for bot father. It has a verified mark. And run new bot command. Choose a name for your bot. Then choose a unique bot username. After creation, BotFather will generate a bot token. This token allows your server to control the bot. Never share this token publicly. Copy the bot token and paste it into the OpenClaw CLI. This. And then enter Telegram bot token paste it. For this tutorial, we'll skip setting skills and hooks. These are advanced features, and you can always add them later. So for now, simply skip these options and continue the onboarding process. At the end, if you see the following message, select Reinstall to make sure the gateway is set up correctly with your new configuration. If you see a message saying that systemctl is unavailable, even you already set this, you can fix this by running that command. The OpenClaw Doctor command inspects all your configuration values and checks for any misconfigured settings. When you add the fix flag, it will automatically fix any issues it can resolve on its own. Now that the installation and onboarding are complete, the next step is to verify that everything was set up correctly. We'll check the gateway status to make sure the agent is running properly. As you can see runtime running and RPC probe OK, that means the OpenClaw gateway is up and running correctly. If something looks wrong here, go back and run OpenClaw Doctor with fix flag to check your setup. Now let's do a real test. Open Telegram and send a message to your bot. You can find your bot with this link. If the bot responds, everything is working. In some cases, the bot might not respond immediately. This usually means we need to configure the allow list, which we will do in the next step. To configure the allow list, we need your Telegram user ID. This is a numeric ID, not your Telegram handle or username. The user ID is here. Now we need to edit the OpenClaw configuration file. This file is called openclaw.json. And all of OpenClaw's settings are stored in this single file. Whenever you need to change how your agent behaves, this is the file you come back to. We are changing DM policy to allow list and adding an allow from field with your Telegram user ID. This tells the bot to only respond to messages from the user you specify. In the allow from field, put your Telegram user ID. Press I to enter insert mode and update the Telegram configuration. If you're following along, pause the video here, edit the configuration, then continue. And escape, type like this. Let's restart OpenClaw Gateway to apply this configuration. Now, the agent should respond correctly. Your OpenClaw agent is now running on VPS and connected to Telegram. From here, You can start building your own AI agent and adding new skills. In the next video, we'll cover how to get a Virtuous ACP API key and register your base builder code on ACP, so your agent can start using Virtuous ACP services and also can be tracked attributions from your agent. Thanks for watching and happy building.